Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sni Mhlongo. If you are a regular OG, welcome back, and if you are a new subscriber, hi girl, hi boy, please do subscribe and become part of the Plugmentation. This is where we serve you with nothing but fashion. There's nothing you're gonna get here except for fashion, and that it is the main plan. So today we're doing something, guys. This is so exciting for me, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it, because I am not really stealing, but I'm kind of recreating my favorite Sni Mhlongo's fashion items or pieces, whatever you want to call it, whatever, baby girl. Okay guys, hold up with the info. Okay, cool. So we are doing Sni Mhlongo. She's one of the biggest fashion influencers in South Africa. For me, I know people are gonna come out for me, but I don't think anybody will come up for me, because she is the best. If not her, who then? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's what we're doing. Sni Mhlongo. If you do not know her, I don't know, are you living under a rock? But let me release the rock for you. Sni Mhlongo is an Instagrammer, influencer, and also I'm not sure if she's a Twitter influencer. I don't think we have those, but whatever. You can catch her on Instagram, Twitter, and as well as on YouTube. She's also a big YouTuber in South Africa. So we'll be recreating one of my fashion pieces that she has worn, and hopefully we nail it, and hopefully she will see it and love it as well. So if you are a snack fan, subscribe, be part of the Plugmentation. So let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so the very first outfit that I chose, I always like to go from casual up to formal, if you do have formal, of course, because casual is the most accessible item. I think everywhere you can get casual wear everywhere, and it's very affordable because it's casual. So the first item, as you can see from the picture, we are trying to steal something like this. This is these are leather shorts. As you can see, they have this what is this, silver circle decoyana situation. It's like, it does not do anything actually, it's just there like for deco and stuff. These are not your typical tight pants. They are high waist, of course, but depending how you want to style them, they do have like an elastic situation on the waist. They're very comfortable. They are very comfortable, but I wouldn't advise them that you wear them during sunny days, because they are quite hot, because they are leather is not suitable for really hot, heavy weathers, because you burn up. And then unfortunately I don't have a Gucci t-shirt because I'm still trying to get there, but because we are still crawling, let us crawl. This is just a basic t-shirt that I got. You can get these from anywhere. This is just a normal graphic t-shirt, so I decided to wear it with this one, and then yeah, I think it's cute. So I'm just gonna show you a video after this video, and then you'll see how I styled it. And then please don't forget to comment down below, tell me, did I do a good job or not. So yeah, so let's get to second. Okay guys, I know I'm holding something really colorful. I know people are gonna be like, okay, that is just too much. This is the second outfit, as you can see from the side. Guys, don't worry, I won't be showcasing the shoes here. I'll be wearing Air Force Ones throughout the video, unless Mugel is changing the shoes. I'll try to change as well. Okay, so this is a bodycon dress. It's very colorful. It gives me color fest vibes. It's very colorful. It's very youthful, and that's what I like about Sni Mhlongo's style. It's very colorful, as well as the fact that most of the items that she has, it's not really simple to find someone in the streets wearing the same outfit that she's wearing. She's very authentic, and she's very she goes through a very thoughtful process in terms of choosing what she's gonna wear. She just does not just pick out outfits together, but she really gets through into the process, and that's where you see what Mugel is doing it. So that's why I'm like, you know what, this is something that I have in my wardrobe, and I would totally wear something like that as she's wearing. I really love it. This is the colorful dress. It's very tight. It's not that tight, but it's tight. So it does show off a bit of your, you know, your ass and stuff, but not too much. I really love this dress. It's very colorful, it's very youthful. So if you are wanting to go out, run a few errands, even if not errands, even if you're going out for movies, you can pair it with a nice bomber jean jacket. It would really look cute, because that's what I usually do when I'm wearing this type of dress. So it's really cute, really nice. A pair of sneakers or a pair of slides, yeah, whatever way. So the situation is like this, and I'm loving it. Okay guys, so this is the third outfit, if I'm not mistaken. Please count for me. So this is like literally like this is like one of my favorite outfits. I remember when I saw this on her Instagram feed, I was like, one day I'm gonna rock this outfit because it is so beautiful. I like the fact that it is a mixture of different styles. I'm that type of person. I don't like being too formal or being too casual, because I've always been that type of lady or woman or girl, whatever you want to call me. I've always liked formal way, and then I've kind of evolved into saying my center of love in terms of fashion style, it is fashion, it is formal way, but I do want to, like, you know, touch in, I know, different styles, and that is what I've always been trying to do. Like, I look formal here, but right here I'm casual. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. So this is like literally my favorite, or one of my favorite outfits, because it is a combination of two styles. It is these leather elastic pants. Yeah, elastic. They look leather, but they're not leather. So, and they have that elastic feeling, because most stockings are very stretchy. So these are, you know, like your regular leather stocking. Where is this stockings? No, these are not stockings. These are like what do you call them again? Hi guys, but y'all can see what I'm talking about. You see, these are like, yeah, I can't call them pants, but whatever. And then this is a shirt dress. Let me just show you guys. This is a shirt dress, and as I can see from the picture, Sni Mhlongo, I think she's wearing a shirt top. It looks like a top, it looks like a dress, but it's a top. But I'm wearing like a shirt dress, so it's meant to be a dress, but since I've been gaining weight in the right places, honey, so I'm hoping that the look will make sense. I love this. It's a combination of two different styles. The pants are very casual, and the top is like semi-formal. So this is the type of style that I like to go with. I like people to kind of read and try analyze my style when I'm wearing something. I don't want them just to pick up and say, oh, she's wearing this and this. No, I want them to say, oh, she really thought of this outfit. And that is the one thing I love about Sni Mhlongo, is that her outfits are thought through. It's not outfits that you just pick out from your wardrobe, but you think. So she goes through a fashion process, and honey, that's what we're all about, you know, taking notes. So guys, if you are a fan of this, please comment down below, because I'm sure this will be your fave, if not now, but in the future. Okay guys, if you knew how hot it is today, like, it is, yo, I'm sure it's like 38 or something. It's super hot. Okay guys, I'm gonna slapping my hands, I don't know why. I miss primary maybe. Okay, so this is something that I wear on a very regular basis, because I'm constantly busy, so I need to be in a very light-weighted outfit, something that's not carrying a lot of weight, because you know, heels and formal clothes, they carry a lot of weight, so because you need to always be checking yourself. So this is an outfit that you'd find me wearing. So when I saw Sni Mhlongo wearing something like this, I was like, this is why I need to do a style steal featuring Sni Mhlongo, because I understand, and I'm a fave of her fashion and of her work. It's very authentic and it's very beautiful. So because I work in a very creative space, as I've mentioned, I need to be in a very lighted I need to wear light outfits all the time. So these are like pants. So you find these pants almost anywhere. H&M, Zara, The Fix, Mr. Price, even Jet Mud has. Where was I the last time where I saw like really nice sweats? I don't remember the shop, but it's like the guys section. They really had like a nice sweatpants. I'm thinking it's Mr. Price, but I'm very sure maybe it's the Beaver or yeah, but whatever, guys. You know that sweatpants can be found almost anyway, so you don't need to worry. So these are just like basic, and then this is like a bomber jacket. This is not like a well-fitted bomber. This is not like a well-fitted jacket, you know, a jean jacket, the ones that we usually find at Mr. Price or the Figs, whatever. These are like bomber jackets, you know, like a bomber jacket, but this is in a jean form. They are very hot, like they hug your body like baby girl. Okay, and then this is like a sports bra that I bought at Mr. Price. If you watch my lingerie haul, you will find it and you will see how it actually looks at me, but obviously I will have a video up, so you won't have to worry about that. So this is my favorite outfit. I'm gonna pair this with Vans because I feel like with Air Force it's just gonna take away the black because I'm not wearing any white, so let me just do black and white because it will make sense. So this is officially the last video, and unfortunately I can't do more because I'm running late. I actually have somewhere to go, so I was just trying to take like a quick video, plus it's very hot and I had makeup on already, so I was like, no, let me grab a few videos, just make content. But anyways, too much on the renting, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you subscribe and become part of the Plug Plantation because this is where to do, baby. Okay guys, please subscribe, and hopefully the next video I'll see you right here, same time. Okay, not the same time, but definitely the same place. Thank you and goodbye.